guys, we found the Museum of Natural History today. So we're doing a few museum things. Here's the line. So I'm very excited. Good morning, everyone. It is day 6 in New York today. It is our last full day here in New York. We do leave for, I almost said America. We do leave for Tennessee tomorrow, but we're having a big day today. I'm very excited. We're going to the zoo today. I really wanted to go to the zoo, and we were gonna go yesterday and then make Tuesday like a big museum day and do the Met and the Museum of Natural History on Tuesday, but the zoo is closed on Wednesday for some reason, so we're doing that today. So I'm very excited, and it says it's supposed to rain at some point, but I hope it doesn't rain while we're at the zoo because the zoo is like one of the biggest things that I want to do. I did not feel like putting on makeup today, so I do excuse my appearance today, and I know that I wasn't able to talk very much yesterday because it was just a lot of going and going and going. So I apologize for not talking too much yesterday, but the food that we had yesterday and the drinks that we had were all amazing, and I love them so much. Yeah. Let's go to the zoo. I'm gonna do a quick little outfit of the day for you. There's no like big light in this hotel, which is kind of annoying. They're expecting you to just use the light from outside and like these little lamps and the bathroom light, so there's like no light in here, which kind of sucks. But I have my black totem sweater on. I'm wearing the sweater because I'm not entirely sure how I was gonna be outside today, so I have the totem sweater on, but I do have a black tank top underneath just in case the sweater gets too hot. And I've got my A Goldie shorts on, and I've got my Steve Madden sandals on today because we're not gonna be walking too much today, except for at the zoo. We decided that we're gonna take taxis everywhere today just because Raph has not been feeling very good for the last couple of days, and since today is the last day, he wants to, you know, he wants to feel as good as he can for the zoo. So we're taking taxis everywhere today. But we're going to eat first, and we're going to this cafe called Cafe Reggiano. Is that right?
I don't know, I think it was Reggiano, yeah.
Yeah, Reggiano. Oh no, it was Reggio, R-E-G-G-I-O. Yeah, Cafe Reggio, and it is a Italian cafe, so we're gonna go over there. I'm very excited about it. So I'll take you with me today for New York Day 6, our last full day, and I'm so excited, so let's go! We've made it to the cafe, Cafe Reggio, and I am going to get the French, I know this is an Italian cafe, but I'm still gonna get French toast, and I'm gonna get un cappuccino. Very nice, but they have a lot of really good stuff here, and I think Raph found, what is it you found?
A sfogliatella.
Sfogliatella.
Yeah, it's from Naples.
It's from Naples?
It's Napolitan.
Wow. Well, I'm very excited. All right, I got my food. It's very dark in here, so hopefully you can see, but French toast. Like, it looks really nice. Syrup right there, strawberry and banana. I got a cappuccino, and Raph got his food right there. We made it to the zoo, you guys. Look.
Still prefer the yellow gold, but I know you're in love with rose gold.
I really like both of them, actually. I think the both of them are really nice. And can I do the gold one more time? Sure.
All right, it's wonderful. The one in front is 15 and the rose gold one in the back is 16.
It's the vessel. We're in Hudson Yards. That's so cool. Good morning, everyone. It is day 7. We are leaving today. We are packing up everything right now, and then I think we need to check out at like 12:30. We got a late checkout because Lord knows we needed it. Raph is still kind of sick, so we're just going kind of slowly, but we're going. And then I think we're gonna go eat somewhere at a cafe that's close by, one that we've been to, probably Fiat Cafe again, because we both thought it was really good. That's pretty much gonna be it for the New York vlogs. I really hope that you did enjoy this little series. I will be continuing on with my normal content when I get home, so you'll probably have a video. There's one video going up today, Friday, as I'm filming this. It'll be parts 4 and 5, and then I'll have one more going up after that, and then after that it would be regular content. But again, I really hope that you guys did enjoy the New York vlogs. I can't wait to come back. I love it here, and it's been such an experience. But again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!